Let's learn the phonics sounds of the alphabets. A makes the sound
A. A.
apple. B makes the sound
B. B.
ball. C makes the sound
K. K.
cat. D makes the sound
D. D.
dog. E makes the sound
E. E.
egg. F makes the sound
F. F.
fish. G makes the sound
G. G.
goat. H makes the sound hat. I makes the sound
I. I.
ice. J makes the sound
J. J.
juice. K makes the sound
K. K.
kite. L makes the sound
L. L.
lamb. M makes the sound
M. M.
monkey. N makes the sound
N. N.
nuts. O makes the sound
O. O.
orange. P makes the sound parrot. Q makes the sound
Qu. Qu.
queen. R makes the sound
R.
rat. S makes the sound
S. S.
sun. T makes the sound
T. T.
tiger. U makes the sound umbrella. V makes the sound
V. V.
van. W makes the sound
W. W.
water. X makes the sound
X. X.
Xmas. Y makes the sound
Y. Y.
yellow. Z makes the sound
Z. Z.
zoo. Well done, and happy learning! Please share, like and subscribe for more content.